Have you ever noticed something strange about truly wealthy people? They rarely feel the need to advertise it. Think of Warren Buffett, who still lives in the same modest house he bought in 1958, despite being one of the richest people on the planet. Or Mark Zuckerberg, the tech billionaire who's famous for wearing the same simple grey t-shirt almost every day. Real wealth, it turns out, doesn't crave attention. It prefers silence. We're swimming in a world that praises filters, flashy purchases, and luxury for the sake of appearances. But ironically, it's the ones who keep a low profile who often grow their net worth the fastest, without ever stepping into the spotlight. There are 6 powerful reasons to intentionally look like you're not rich, even if you are. And if you're still skeptical, I guarantee that by the 4th point, you'll start seeing modesty not just as wise, but as a financial strategy. Reason 1: simplicity reduces stress. Let's say someone hands you the keys to a candy apple red sports car. At first, it's all smiles. Heads turn. The engine purrs like a lion. You feel unstoppable. But fast forward a month. You're now paying triple for insurance. That high-octane gas empties your wallet faster than the car hits 60. Every tire replacement? It costs more than a vacation. And don't even get me started on service wait times. What looked like a gift starts to feel like a golden cage. This same pattern shows up in overstuffed closets, fancy kitchen gadgets collecting dust, or homes packed with things you barely use. Centuries ago, a French writer named Delarue bought an elegant robe, then spent himself into debt upgrading everything else in his home just to match it. One flashy item leads to another, and suddenly, you're a prisoner to your possessions. But when you live simply, you sleep deeper, move freer, and focus on what actually lights you up. Reason 2: looking broke saves real money. Here's a radical idea: use the phone you already have. Wear the shoes that still have soles. Cook more meals at home. Every month you skip that unnecessary upgrade or boutique dinner, you might pocket $500. That's $6,000 a year. Invest that in a low-cost index fund averaging 7% return, and in 25 years, just from skipping a few splurges, you could be sitting on over $40,000. Now imagine doing that consistently, not just once. That's how financial independence is built. Leo Jennings, the billionaire we mentioned earlier, still lives in his old Nebraska home. And Ellis Brandt, the founder of Fleximart, drove the same station wagon for 15 years and booked economy flights into his 80s. Why? Because their money works for them, not the other way around. Reason 3: quiet wealth repels the wrong crowd. Years ago, I ended up in Madrid on a group night out with a bunch of expats. One guy, we'll call him Vince, walked in with a gold watch the size of a pancake and started bragging about his penthouse. He insisted we dine at a Michelin star spot, ordered top-shelf everything, then passed the bill around like it was a team-building exercise. It was $500 each. I dipped early. Others stayed, not wanting to seem cheap. Vince never asked what anyone did or dreamed of, only what we could afford. That's what showing off attracts: people who see you as an ATM, not a human. Dress modestly, live simply, and you'll start meeting people who value ideas over image. Also, flaunting wealth makes you a walking target. Scammers, thieves, even fake friends notice. Privacy is more than a virtue, it's protection. Reason 4: frugality rewires your brain for gratitude. Right now, millions of families around the world don't have clean water or a safe place to sleep. If you've got both, you're already wealthier than most humans in history. But our brains are tricky. They adapt quickly. It's called the hedonic treadmill, where even lottery winners return to their old level of happiness within months. Buy the newest gadget, and for a few days, you're buzzing. Then, back to baseline. Break that loop. Start a daily gratitude list. Find joy in a hot shower, a quiet walk, a decent cup of coffee, or watching the sky go pink at sunset. Years ago, I hiked through the hills of Nepal with nothing but a backpack. After walking for hours, a simple bowl of noodles tasted like gourmet dining. When you strip away the excess, life's smallest moments start to glow. Reason 5: modesty shrinks your retirement target. Let's say you want to retire someday without worrying about money. Most financial planners use the 4% rule, meaning if you live off just 4% of your investments annually, your money should last. Now imagine two neighbors. Sarah spends $50,000 a year. Mia gets by on $30,000 without feeling like she's missing out. Sarah will need to save about $1.25 million to retire safely. Mia? Just $750,000. That $20,000 lifestyle difference? It's not just money, it's years shaved off the road to freedom. Frugal living also speeds up debt payoff. The average household is buried under $20,000 plus in high-interest debt. Every dollar you don't spend on showing off is a dollar that can crush that debt and set you free. This is the secret sauce behind the FIRE movement, financial independence, retire early, where everyday people hit financial freedom in their 30s or 40s, not because they made millions, but because they spent like they didn't. Reason 6: low-key looks give you negotiating power. Imagine two contractors walk into a hardware store. One steps out of a sparkling pickup with chrome rims and designer sunglasses. The other rolls up in an old van wearing beat-up boots and a plain t-shirt. Both ask for a bulk discount. Who gets it? The flashy guy screams, "I've got cash to burn." The modest one? Looks like someone who counts every cent. That image matters. It helps during salary negotiations, real estate deals, car buying, even flea market bargaining. People are more willing to work with you when you don't look like you're trying to flex. Looking broke isn't weakness, it's leverage. Here's a bonus no one talks about. When you stop performing wealth, you gain the freedom to fail in public without fear. The person always showing off can't afford a single misstep, their image would crack. But the quiet builder? They can test, tinker, flop, learn, and try again while the world looks the other way. That's rocket fuel for creativity. Most successful founders had dozens of failures before their big win. Nobody remembers the flops, because nobody was watching. When you look broke, you might just end up richer than ever. Not just in dollars, but in time, peace, and real friendships. You fall asleep without collectors knocking at your conscience. You invest more in skills, memories, and freedom, and less in impressing strangers who'll forget your flex tomorrow. And when you do finally buy something nice, you pay in full. No stress. No spotlight. Because it's for you, not for likes. So next time your feed flashes a shiny toy in your face, ask, will this lift my life, or just my ego for a minute? If it's ego, swipe away. Instead, put $10 into savings. Cook a homemade meal. Call a friend for a walk instead of another expensive outing. Look up a free online course that boosts your income. Every small choice builds the kind of wealth you'll never need to show off. And speaking of smart moves, quietly hit that subscribe button. We've got more tips coming your way to grow your income and build lasting wealth without breaking the bank or your sanity. Drop a comment, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.